With the foundation of blockchain and collecting on the advantages of decentralized finance, DeFi, Elrond set the standard of being the first blockchain on the planet with the certifiable state sharding plan for reasonable versatility, disposing of energy and computational waste while guaranteeing disseminated decency through a safe verification of stake agreement instrument. This novel element implies that information connected with exchanges will generally get accumulated independently and not among the other data on a similar block, consequently working with the remarkable speed of exchanges. Allow us to break down the ongoing subtleties of Elrond and comprehend the Elrond cost expectation for what's in store. Elrond entered crypto space in the year 2020, having areas of strength for anon security. Elrond network is worked to guarantee protection from known security issues like the Sybil assault. Without a doubt, Elrond has extraordinary potential and will generally be the most alluring digital currencies, chiefly for its local token, Egld, that guarantees high versatility security combined with speed, scaling a pinnacle of $200 without a doubt on a more profound specialized investigation at the cost. Elrond empowers consent-less, line-less, worldwide exchanges and embraces the web economy advancement. It wouldn't be an exaggeration to name the capability of Egld tokens as impetuses in carrying out brilliant agreement expenses and move reserves. The most important elements that drive the cost of Elrond are the speed and reasonableness that empower faster upgrades execution, bringing about quicker and secure exchanges. Egld, the ups and downs, the pearls and crowns. As of now, the Elrond cost today is exchanging around $191.29, with a slight brief remedy throughout the course of recent hours. The market capitalization has expanded to $4,150,898,333.52 with a coursing supply of 21,694,175 Egld. A ton can be said about the verifiable excursion. A sharp ascent went into the remedy stage, and in the span of a month, the exchanging volume remained at $261,802,037.55. Almost comparable patterns in Ben's win until 2017. In December, the Egld cost shot up, trailed by a cost rectification in 2018 summers. The lazy stage went on for the digital money, and the option of Egld added a leap forward. The start of 2019 was a gift for this platform as the Egld token was recorded on the famous tray. Aside from that, there were numerous gifts reported by the engineers through review advertisements for cash, raising the toast to a memorable $177. The coin built up forward momentum, the retreating despite the fact that put in a profoundly unstable universe of digital forms of money. Good factors like tight security conventions and a high-level calculation assume a truly urgent part in impacting speculations. The essential target of the Elrond group has been to guarantee straightforwardness and, simultaneously, protection. Tracking down harmony in both could be an extreme test. In view of a legitimate calculation, Elrond has both momentary meetings and possible long-haul benefits. In view of the Elrond Egld cost expectation and our own examination, the Egld coin might reach $184.42 continuously Zen. In light of the Elrond cost figure done by Wallet Financial Backer, Egld's cost is supposed to arrive at a characteristic of $252.58 toward the finish of 2022, and cost is supposed to reach $612.27 following 5 years. In view of the Elrond figure, there is a major variety between the base and most extreme cost, which makes it challenging to choose whether to purchase Elrond or not. In this manner, it is ideal to accept the base forecast as a rule, affirming it as help of $210.21, best case scenario. As per the Egld cost expectation, it appears Elrond cash is ill-fated. Egld could exchange with a flattish cost pattern and solidify around $200 by the primary quarter of 2022, in spite of the fact that there were changes and improvements occurring in Elrond blockchain innovation. This resource stayed languid to move an inch. To put it openly, numerous financial backers didn't have the foggiest idea about the resource even existed, albeit the primary explanation is as yet unclear. There is news that might be because of designers pronouncing their innovative progression, and a limited time occasion caused the trigger, guaranteeing brought together blockchain, online protection and expression, and all the more significantly a reality. According to the verifiable information and specialized examination, since November 2021, the cost was showing rectification, in spite of the fact that there was a slight recuperation saw in the main 7-day stretch of April 2022. However, after that the cost again fell. On the off chance that the cost goes up, Elrond cost will show a positive pattern soon. Elrond value expectations 2022 to 2026. Elrond value expectation 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for digital money market, Elrond is good to go to confirm areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is brimming with petals gave the financial backers certainty continues blasting, bringing about a huge push to the cost of Elrond, taking it to cross all obstructions scaling $217.82. As per the Egld cost forecast 2022, the normal cost is supposed to reach $205.93 and lease cost to $192.35. Elrond value forecast 2023, as indicated by our Elrond cost expectations specialists. These elements can help this symbolic increase a lot greater cost of $248.49 and lease cost of $207.38. The typical cost of Elrond may be $230.69. If the drive for utilitarian crypto market go on into 2023, the Egld cost might try and see a worldview rush. These costs show more development than that of Elrond cost forecast 2022. Elrond value expectation 2024. There may be slight amendment saw in the year 2024 when contrasted with 2023. There are suppositions by our Elrond Egld cost expectation specialists its base worth could reach $192.64. Greatest cost might reach $285.44 and normal cost of Elrond to $224.81. The blessing is finished by significantly security and adaptability highlights. The intriguing limited-time adventures might wrap up making the financial backers reap the increases and make it a productive venture. This may be an ideal opportunity to trade Elrond. Elrond value expectation 2025. Elrond is additionally dynamic in local area drives. Taking into account they keep up the force, collecting a huge market cap, their drives zeroing in on training, effort, and developments might take them to a greatest worth of $326.74 to realize other coin gauges. Then, at that point, actually take a look at our post on cost expectation for digital money. Elrond value expectation 2026. If the crypto market turn good, the Egld cost is set to break all hindrances and perform abundantly, scaling the top as previously mentioned. However, there may be slight remedy in the year 2026 when contrasted with 2025. As per our Elrond Egld cost forecast, upheld by hardy savvy gets, the Elrond cost may handily contact $308.52 before the year's over 2026 in the long haul. Today is a lot higher than the Elrond cost and will result as a drawn-out increment. When was Elrond sent off and who sent off it? Elrond was established in late 2017. It was established by Benjamin Minku and Lucien Todia, who were Elrond's rivals. However, numerous famous advanced resources from digital money market like Tron, Phantom, Nervos, Binance Brilliant Chain, D-Force, Symbol, Gravity, Waves compensate for the opposition. Egld stands apart interesting because of its seg would include: is Elrond rising quickly or will Elrond crash? Inferable from the exchange speed. Egld is an extraordinary fascination for purchasers around the world. Of late, since it acknowledges charge cards as well and the validation goes before long, the stage has